It's actually a crazy story how I got this as a job. My husband was in the military. We had just had our 5th child, and he had just gone home from Africa where he was helping with the Ebola epidemic. And after serving there, he came home and he said, I hate my job, but I think I would like to do what those doctors were doing. He wanted to quit his job and go back to school to be a doctor. And would I be willing to support the family while he went to med school? I have never graduated from anything. I don't have a high school diploma, let alone a college degree. And I was a stay-at-home mom, so I had 0 work experience. But I do have that thing inside me that has the audacity to think that I can do anything I want and will be good at it. And here's the thing. You only have one life to live, and it would suck if you had to spend your whole life doing something that you hated, which is where my husband was. And he was on the fence about it because he's going to be 43 when he's done. But this is what I told him. You are going to be 43 and be a doctor, or you're going to be 43 and not be a doctor. Either way, you're still going to be 43. And to be honest, I didn't have a moment's hesitation. I 100% supported him in this decision because I knew that he hated his job, and that affected all of us, and I wanted him to have a happy, good life. What that meant for me is I was going to have to figure out a way that I could make money to support the family so he could live his dream. So I did not get my dream job right away. The first thing I did was learn to play the piano so I could teach piano. I really hated it, so I quit that. I ended up getting my real estate license, sold 20 homes in my first year, binged a crap ton of Bigger Pockets, networked with a bunch of real estate people, found a crazy good deal on our first Airbnb property, flipped like 7 homes. Then I started a short-term rental management company, automated a lot of it, found an amazing staff. Suzanne, if you're watching this, you are awesome. And then with the income from that and our other short-term rental properties, plus the fact that my husband is now in residency and so is making a little bit of money, that frees me up to do stuff like this. I got my dream job by helping my husband get his.